Hi everyone, so this is our new bathroom renovation or bathroom remodel video. Actually, this is a shower room renovation. And at the moment we're at the bathroom teardown stage. So Lizelle's just removing the lino from the floor so we can start off fresh. Now in this part of the video I'll be showing you how to remove tiles from a wall or how to remove tiles fast from a wall. Okay, so in this part of the video I'm taking off this toilet system from the wall, but before you do that you need to take out all the water from the tank, and one way to do that is basically to turn off the water supply to your house and then run the flush, and then it shouldn't really fill up again.
Kaka. You can stop now. Okay.
Now one issue we had with the ground is that there was a lot of pipes previously run through it, so that would have weakened the joist quite a bit. So in this part of the video I'm going to be strengthening up all the joists. Soon after I did that, I laid down the subflooring. In this case we put 1.8 centimeter thick plywood. Soon after we laid down the shower tray, but we also backfilled all the edges with silicone. I'll put a link in the description for that as well.
Fill those gaps.
Now a common question I get asked is, do I need to waterproof before tiling? The more simple answer is why not, because it costs you only like £40 to waterproof it underneath the tiling, so if you have a leak in the future it just gives you that added protection.
Well done.
Everywhere it's got double except here.
Look at that one. Finished. Very cute.
So if you've got any questions about bathroom renovation or bathroom renovations in general, and you want to remodel your bathroom, then just leave any questions down below in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and also like and subscribe.